Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of amazing modern small apartment interior design and tips for maximizing small apartment space and style on a budget ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. In today's fast-paced world, where housing prices are soaring and space is becoming scarce, small apartment design has become increasingly important. Whether you're a young professional looking for a bachelor pad or a student seeking affordable housing, small apartments can offer an ideal solution. However, designing a small apartment can be challenging, as you need to make the most of limited space while ensuring that the space looks stylish and inviting. In this video, we will discuss the best small apartment design ideas and provide answers to common questions about small apartment design. How to design a small apartment. The key to designing a small apartment is to create a functional space that does not feel cramped. One of the first things you need to do is declutter and get rid of unnecessary items. Next, choose furniture that is space-saving and multifunctional, such as a sofa bed or a storage ottoman. Use light colors and natural light to make the space feel more open and airy. Finally, create zones within your apartment, such as a sleeping area, a work area, and a living area, to make the space feel more organized. How can I maximize space in my small apartment? Maximizing space in a small apartment involves using every inch of available space. Use vertical space by adding shelves and bookcases that go up to the ceiling. Use underbed storage and wall-mounted hooks to store items. Choose furniture that can be folded or stacked, such as chairs or tables, when not in use. Use mirrors to create the illusion of more space. How can I decorate a small apartment on a low budget? Decorating a small apartment on a low budget requires creativity and resourcefulness. Use affordable decor items such as throw pillows, wall art, and plants to add color and interest to your space. Use inexpensive materials such as pallets or crates to make DIY furniture. Repurpose old items such as jars or baskets to create decorative storage solutions. How do you build a small bachelor apartment? Building a small bachelor apartment involves creating a space that is functional and comfortable. Start by designing a layout that includes a sleeping area, a living area, and a kitchenette. Use space-saving furniture, such as a sofa bed or a wall-mounted desk, to maximize the space. Choose light colors and natural light to make the space feel larger. Finally, add personal touches, such as artwork or photographs, to make the space feel like home. Here are these 10 best small apartment design ideas. 1. Use a room divider to create zones within your apartment. 2. Choose furniture that is multifunctional, such as a storage ottoman or a convertible sofa. 3. Use underbed storage to store items. 4. Hang curtains to create the illusion of a separate room. 5. Use a loft bed to create more floor space. 6. Choose a color palette that is light and bright to make the space feel more open. 7. Use mirrors to create the illusion of more space. 8. Use wall-mounted hooks to store items and free up floor space. 9. Use plants to add color and interest to your space. 10. Use lighting to create ambience and make the space feel cozy. Designing a small apartment can be challenging, but with the right ideas and techniques, you can create a space that is both functional and stylish. Whether you're looking to maximize space or decorate on a budget, the key is to be creative and resourceful. With these small apartment design ideas, you'll be on your way to creating a space that you'll love coming home to. In conclusion, designing a small apartment requires careful planning and creativity. By using multifunctional furniture, maximizing space, and incorporating personal touches, you can create a functional and stylish living space. Whether you're on a tight budget or looking to make the most of limited space, these small apartment design ideas can help you achieve your goals. So go ahead and make the most of your small apartment with these tips and tricks. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of amazing modern small apartment interior design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.